Hey, are you blind? How can you burn the bread again every single morning? It's the same rubbish.
I'm sorry, Emeka. I was trying to get the children ready for school and
Trying? You're always trying and failing. What exactly do you do right in this house?
I wake up early, clean, take care of the children, and cook.
Cook? Is this what you call cooking? Even my mother would be ashamed of you.
You don't have to shout.
I will shout because you don't have sense. You are a very stupid woman.